So guys, this is how you can download your ILE insurance certificate online in just 2 easy steps. To get started, visit the ILE website. Tap on the second option, which is the involuntary loss of employment. Here, as an individual or an employee of a private company, you can log in into the ILE portal by tapping on the private section. Confirm this message and move on. Enter your UID number or your Emirates ID number in this section here. And again, enter your mobile number and enter your date of birth. Once you have entered this information, request for an OTP by tapping on this button here. Enter and submit the OTP that will be sent to your number, and you'll be logged in into the ILE portal. As you can see on the screen, all your insurance policy information will be revealed right here in this app. Up here is your personal information, and below right here is your full policy details. So scroll down, you'll see this section here where it says that view policy details. Simply tap on the view policy details and again tap on send policy to email. Immediately, a PDF copy of your insurance certificate will be sent to your email address. Let's say you don't have access to the email address that is attached to your Emirates ID. The video up here on the screen will guide you how to do that. So once the copy of your policy has been sent to you, go to your email and open this document here, the attachment. You will see that it's protected by a password. Your password is your date of birth plus the last 4 digits of your Emirates ID number. So guys, this is how you download your ILE insurance certificate online. And if you want to check or remove the ILE insurance fine, the video up next is for you.